Hello guys, in this session I'm going to show the experimental 3 of Tricentis Tosca by scanning the Google page. For that I'm opening the Tricentis Tosca command and created project by giving the name, and this is my project dashboard. In this I am going to create a module named as a Google. Then I'm clicking the scan and navigate the application, and it's opening the access scan. Here I'm going to click the Google and the scan button. For the scanning we want the search bar and the Google search button, so I'm going to select this both. Click the advanced, it will shows the other properties of that. In the bottom you can see it's showing one item is not unique, so I'm going to add the properties. So for to add the properties, go for the identify by. In that I'm going for the anchor property. Firstly, here in the right side you can see the identify by anchor property. Then I am going to select the Google search one, and I am going to add that in a anchor control. Here for that click the select on screen. After that you drag the Google search selected button into the anchor control. If you drag that Google search into the particular anchor control line, you will get, otherwise it will be showing a control cannot be its own anchor. So you can see I'm getting that now I got the correctly dragged one. After dragging you can see the orange color in the top. For the it's showing it's not unique. To make the unique one, in that toolbar only you can see in the bottom make a anchor unique button. Click on that. After that you can see that orange color will be turning to the green color. This shows this object is a unique one. I'm going to minimize. I will show wait. What this green color indicate means the selected item is is unique, and you can see in the bottom. Now the selected items are all unique, so I'm going back to the basic. After that save that and click the finish screen and click the close. It will be closed. It means scanning is closed and scanning has been done. Now I am going back to the Tosca command. Okay, here if you click the Google drop down button, in that you can see the Google page has been scanned. Our selected item has been there. After that go to the test case. In that right click on the anywhere in the page and create the module. Now I am going to give a name as a Google. Then you can get the procedure. If you watch the video on third experiment, and that's a experimental 2, in that the next step has been shown like in the same way. Now I'm going to do, you can drag that Google module scanned page and drop it in the Google that is in the test case. After that click the drop down button in the test case. You can see that search and the Google search row. In that search double click on that. In that you can type anything you want to search in a Google. I'm going to give the Tosca. After that double click on the Google search. and in that drop down button you can see, in that drop down button you can see the click, and click on that. After these procedures, go to the Google and click on that, right click on that. You can see the run in scratchbook button. Click on that. It's going to automated testing. You can see that procedure has been loading. After the successful completion, it will be a green in color. If there is any error, it will be showing in a red in color. In the mouse I am not doing any work. It's only typed the Tosca and click the Google search button, and here is the what we have searched and we got here. And here you can see it's been a green color. It indicates our project has been correct. And when you go back to the Tosca command, in the scratchbook you can see all has been ticked in a green color. It means there is no error in this project. Next I'm going to add the next properties. So guys, in the same project I'm going to create the new module. In that I'm going to show the another property, that is index. For that I'm going to use the demo web shop. It's also similar to the swag lab in the previous video, which have been used for the login. With the similar way you can use it this also. And I'm going to show in this how to register the automation method by using a Tosca commander. That I'm going to create the module named as a registration. After that I have right clicked on that and click the scan and navigate the application is a similar way. Then in the Chrome open the demo web shop, and this is the website. In this website click the register button in the top. Here you can see the registration process, what are the information has been required for the registration. I'm going to scan this web page, and now my access scan has been open. After that I'm going to select the female button, and that's a red one, and then first name, last name, email, and next it been showing your password. For that password column and the confirm password, and then the register button. In this you can observe it doesn't showing any that is like it's not a unique, you can see, because it's all the selected one will be their unique, because their own components have their own that are different from the each other. So for this I'm not using any properties. I'm going to save and finish the screen and click the close. I'm going to the Tosca command. You can observe by clicking the drop down button in the registration demo web shop, that's a scanned page. If you click the drop down button in the demo web page, you can see the selected properties which we want. After that I'm going back to the test case. Here I'm going to create the module again for the registration, so I am going to give the name as a registration. After that I'm going back to the module and drag that web shop scanned into the test case that is named as the registration. After that here click the drop down button. After that for the F, that means a female, so I'm going to give the click. For the first name, okay, I'm going to give the name. Sorry, it's been a name actually. I'm going next I'm going to give the last name and my email ID I'm going to give. That's Biraj at gmail.com. After that, I'm going to give the password. Then I'm going to give the confirm password. For the registration, there you can see the button. No, so I'm going to give the click. After that, click the registration and right click the registration. After that, click the run in Scratchbook. Here now you can observe it automatically enters the values which I had given in the test case. Now you can see how it's automatically clicked, and I got the loaded as a green, and here my registration has been completed. In the next step, in the same Tosca dashboard project, I'm going to create the add to the cart module. For that, I am again using the same website as the demo web page. In this I'm going to use the object as an module as named as an object, because some website are different from the another website. It's not like on a swag lab. Right click on that, I'm going to scan and navigate the application. My scan has been open. Here I click the demo web shop and scan. My scan has been open. Here I'm going to add the build your own cheap computer, and you can see it's not showing any not a unique, because it is a selected. I'm selected the one object. I'm going to save that and click the finish screen. After that, I'm going to close. Again, I'm going back to the Tosca command. In that, I'm going for the test case. I'm going to create the another module that is named as an object that is similar to the module I have created in the previous. And in that object, you can see the demo web shop. That's a scanned page, and going to drop this in the test case. That's the object, and after that, right click double click on the build your own cheap computer. Here you can see the drop down button. In that, click the click button. After that, you can click for the scan in Scratchbook, and you can see here it's been testing. It's been loading. Sorry for testing, it's been loading. After that, you can see it is automatic. Here you can see it's automatically click that object, and here this will be open the objects. And now I'm going to show the add to the cart. For that, again I'm going to create the module in the same project, add to cart, and right click on that, scan, then navigate the application. After that, my scan has been open. I'm going to click the scan button. Okay, now I'm going to add to the cart. I'm going to maximize this. It's been unique, so I'm going to save this and close this. Then I'm going back to the Tosca command. Here I'm going to create the another module that is named as add to cart. After that, I'm going to module and drag that scanned page and drop it here in the add to the cart in the test case. And then double click on the add to the cart. In the drop down button, you can click the click button, and then click the scan run in the Scratchbook button. Actually, I'm going to the Chrome. Here it's been loading. Here it's been loading. I didn't do anything in a mouse. It's been loaded, and you can see it's been added to the cart. For the confirmation, I'm going to show. See here, it's a shopping cart. You can see in the bracket one item. Now you can see my object has been added to the cart. So guys, in the last procedure you had seen the unique items has been selected, and now I am going to choose the not unique items by selecting. For that I'm creating the new module in the same project. Okay, like add list object to a cart. After that, right click on that and scan and navigate the application. The scan has been open, you can see it's been loading. After the demo web shop and then scan. Scan has been open. Now I am going to click the add it to the cart in the first object and the second object add it to the cart. Okay, click the advance. In the bottom you can see the objects are not unique, so I'm going to use the property as a index. For that I'm going to click the identify by. In that I'm going to click the index. For that go to the add to the cart, which has I added the two items. In that click the index, and the next cart add to the cart. In that also click that object. You can see in the last index has been added, and click the basic and save that. After that click the finish screen and then close it. Scanning has been completed. Then go back to the Tosca command. In the Tosca command wait, I'm going to the test case, creating the new module, which is similar to the module name, that is the add list object to the cart. In the module, you can drag and drop it here. Do the same procedure, drag and drop, and then double click on the add to the cart. In the click the option give. In the add to the cart one also give the click option. After that right click on that, then run in a scratchbook. Now you can see it's been running. It's automatically click the add to the cart, you can see. Then go back to the Tosca, you can see both has been marked in a green color. So my test case has been successful. In the next I'm going to show the image property. For that, in the same project I'm going to create a new module that is named as an add. After that click the scan and navigate the application, and here you can see my hex scan has been opened, and I click on scan button and the scan has been opened. After that I'm going to add the two object add for the added to the cart, so I'm going to click the two object has added to the cart. After that you can see in the bottom that's this object has been not a unique. For that I'm going for the advanced, it will shows the extra properties. And now I'm going to use the image as I said in the first. For that I go to the identify by. In that click the add image. Actually some screen it's not been fitted. For that you have to adjust the size of the monitor. Actually I adjusted it, and now you can see it's been showing the add to the cart button in the right position. In the next object I'm going to add image to that add to the cart. So you can see exact position it's been showing, and create the box like this, and then click the his. After that you can see in the bottom the selected items has been unique, and then go to the basic and save this project and finish the screen and close it, and the scan has been completed. And go to the Tosca commenter. Again you can see the scan has been done, and go to the test case. In that create the another module that is named as an add. It's similar to the module, and go back to this similar procedures like that. you can drag and drop in the had the in that added to the code, double click on that, in that give the value as a click. In here also give the value as a click. After that, right click on that, then click the run in scratchbook. Here you can see it's been loading for the testing. It's automatically has been click the added to the cart and added to the cart. Then for the confirmation, I'm going to show that's in the shop cart. You can see the two object has been added. So then go back to the Tosca command. You can check the test case has been successful. Thank you for watching.